Okay, so today we are going to learn about creating zip file or compressed file, and we will also learn about some Chrome browser basic things like bookmarking, navigating to various websites, and customizing the Chrome browser.
Okay.
So, do you know what is zip file or compressed file?
No.
Okay, so basically, give me a second. Yeah, zip file is a way of grouping or archiving multiple files so they act like one file. For example, let's say you want to email a folder of Word documents, multiple documents to someone. So you could attach each file individually, but it would take a longer time,
Mhm.
especially if there are a lot of documents.
Mm.
So a better solution would be to put all of the files into a particular folder called
Mm.
zip folder or
Okay.
compress folder. Then attach the zip folder to your email.
Good. Okay.
So another advantage of zip file is that we are compressing all files into that particular folder, which means the total file size is smaller. If you are emailing a zip file to someone or posting it to the web pages, it takes less time to upload,
Okay.
and your recipient will also be able to download it more quickly.
Okay.
Some
Mhm.
file formats like MP3s, JPG images already compressed. You still zip these file types, but the file size may not get much smaller. Okay, let me show you how to compress a particular folder or files.
Good.
So creating zip file, whether you are using Windows operating system or Mac OS, you don't need additional software to create and open zip files.
Okay.
In some cases, we download a software particularly to open or view zip files. That software name is WinZip. That is very famous software.
What's the name of it?
WinZip, WIN zip. So to
Oh,
create a zip file in Windows, basically what you need to visit, for example, I want some of the file to be compressed in order to send to the email. What I do, I create a right click on any empty space in your folder or Windows Explorer. See, first you need to understand that what are the files you need to compress. You need to create a zip folder. Like, for example, I need these files. I'm selecting the files, multiple file by using my mouse primary button. Simultaneously, I'm pressing and holding my control key on my keyboard. How? Once again, to select multiple files or folders, you need to press or hold a control key on your mouse keyboard, as well as simultaneously you need to click on the first primary key or left mouse button every time whenever you select the file. Like I have selected this one, now this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one as well. So these are the files I need. Even I need a folder as well. So these are the files I don't want to send individually to someone via email. So in order to create a zip file for these particular files and folders, I have just selected these files. Then right click on any file. You see an option called creating zip or compress folder. Okay.
Okay. Let's see, WinZip. Okay,
See. Oh,
right there. Mhm.
so click on send to
Mhm.
send to option. Then check for compress zip folder. Once again, right click on any file you have selected. Go to send to, then point to compressed folder. If you click on this particular compress zip folder, a zip folder has been automatically created here like this. Here they are asking for a name, like I'm writing document, Alim document. So as per your understanding, okay. See,
Mhm.
see all these files I have what I have selected here previously, those files has been created in one folder, in one
Mhm.
briefcase.
Mhm.
In in our understanding, it works as a briefcase, compressed briefcase. Okay.
Mhm.
So what I do, I'll attach this zip folder into the email and send someone. So very next person who received this email, what he do, he received when he received this email with this attachment, they will download this attachment, and after downloading it, they do unzip this folder to see what are the files inside this zip folder.
Mhm.
We compress this folder folder by creating zip folder. To unzip, unzipping is nothing but to open the folder to check what are the files are inside available. Just right click or double click on it.
Mhm.
Okay,
Okay. Mhm.
give me
Open.
it is opening. So I have this one installed and it's expired. So in that case, what you do, right click on it, just click on extract files. Click on extract files. Okay.
Mhm.
What I am doing here, I am opening this folder to check this compressed folder to check what are the files or folders available inside. Okay. Just click on extract files. It will ask for the see see it is asking me to give the destination where you want to extract these files. Okay. What I do, I will change the folder here like this. Let's say I'll create a first in order to show you better way. First, what we'll do, we'll create a folder here. Okay. Now I click on it, then click extract files. See, will you able to see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second. No, you are not seeing my whole screen.
I see up there. Okay.
Let me share my whole screen. Basically, I right click on this zip folder
Mm-hmm.
and click on extract files.
Shape files.
Then this window will open like this. So now here, give the destination folder address here by clicking on this three dots. Okay. Now I have just created a folder to transfer zip files. Double click on it, then select folder. See, I have given the address location where I want to extract these zipped compressed files. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
click on extract. All the files and folders which are available in your zip folder will be transferred to the targeted folder.
Mm-hmm.
See here, once again, I go to download, then double click on my created folder. See, the document or zip folder by the name Alim has been extracted or transferred to this particular folder. See, I double click on it. I see inside whatever I have transferred to the compressed file or zip folder, it is available now.
Mm-hmm.
So, what did you understand by this?
All right, I'm getting little pieces of it. Uh, uh, you know, we create a zip file in the Windows. Uh, we going through Window Explorer. You need to hold the control key on the mouse.
No,
No,
no. Let me tell you first. One thing is why we create. What is the use of this zip folder?
what is the use of what?
Yeah, zip folder or compressed folder. What I have shown you
Uh,
just now.
we to put several folders into one, compressed.
Ex- exactly.
Right,
By doing this, it will create more space.
right,
Okay.
right.
For example, your file size is to check any file size. What you do basically, right click on the any file. Let's say uh, this file. Right click on this file.
Mm-hmm,
Go to properties. See here, size. The size of file is 104
mm-hmm,
KB.
mm-hmm,
KB means kilobyte. So if you send this file into the compressed folder, the file size will compressed and
okay,
it
perfect.
it will become
Okay.
smaller in size. So
Mm-hmm,
this is the use of compressed folder.
mm-hmm.
Once again, I'll show you how to create a zip folder or compressed folder.
Yes.
Okay, see,
So,
basically, I want these files. Whatever the files you need to compress, in simple, you need to select those files before creating zip folder.
mhm,
Okay,
okay.
to select multiple files, you need to press or hold Control key on your keyboard simultaneously. You need to press on first key or primary mouse button in order to select multiple files
Mm-hmm,
like this: one, two, three, four, five. Now right click on the selected files and folders anywhere here, 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 but it should be on selected files and folders. Right click, then select on
Alim, will
send.
you repeat one more time, please?
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam. So
What we are doing right now? I just
we
log
yeah,
in.
you came late, sister. So
Yes.
actually we are working on compressed folder or zip folder. So I'll give you some small description of it. What is compressed folder or zip folder? Zip folder is used to it carries multiple files in particular folder, and that folder compress the file size.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, why we do this activity? Actually, basically when we send when we want to send multiple files as attachment, like we have credentials, we have 10th standard, intermediate standard, date of birth certificate, multiple credentials we want to send to any employer or anyone else via emails. So what we do, basically we attach in individually each and every images or files. So to that is not looks very professional.
Mm.
So in that case, what you do, I attach one folder by adding these file as an attachment in email. Okay. So after attaching, when I send this email to someone or any other person, any HR person, they
Mhm.
download this folder, and when they extract these files, it will like it works as a it will save your size size of files. Okay. For example, if you have uh, 1 MB of files, when you compress it, it will become around 800 KB, 700 KB like this. So where it is one more beneficial for this creating zip folder is when you attach zip folder, it will attach immediately. When you send someone, they will download immediately, easily,
Mhm.
because the file size they will compressed actually by using this zip file. To create zip file, first you need to understand what are the files you need to do zipping. Okay.
Mhm.
First, you need to select how to select multiple files. For example, I want these file to be sent via attachment. Okay. To select multiple file, press and hold on control button on your keyboard. Simultaneously click on mouse button, primary mouse key, like this. Okay. I have select
Press what?
press.
Shift and
No, not shift. Control key on your keyboard.
okay, control.
Simultaneously press on primary mouse key or first mouse button. Then right click on the selected file. Then click on send it to option. Select here compressed or zip folder,
Mhm.
like this. So one folder will be created like this here on the top of your screen. You need to rename this folder as per your requirement. Okay. Let's say I am renaming it as Marufa. Okay. So
Mhm.
when someone receive this folder as an attachment, so this thing I'll going to show you on in when we start our chapter email management. Okay, just for overview purpose, understand when we someone receive as attachment, they will download this zip folder, and what they do actually to see what is inside this folder, right click on this folder, click on extract files. Okay. Here you need to give the destination folder address where you want to be extracted those files. Okay. Two things here. One thing is we can extract to the destination folder, or we can extract all files here itself where you have downloaded zip folder. If you click this option, whatever the files inside will be extracted here itself. See here, the folder by name Marufa has been created. All the files has been downloaded and extracted over here itself. See, got it? Okay. So moving forward, we'll be learning about Chrome, Chrome basic activities like bookmarking, navigating to websites, and customizing Chrome. So basically, most of the people around the world are using Chrome as a browser, right? Since longer time. So that's the reason I want to show some basic things about Chrome to you people. Let me share my screen again. Yeah. So what is bookmark? What is the use of bookmark? Can any one of you tell me?
Just to,
What is it, Alimbai?
What is bookmark? Why do we use bookmark?
So you can find things easily. Next time you don't have to go through.
Yeah. So this is for Mr. Gary.
yes.
Have you ever found a website you wanted to view later? So, see, only to realize you did not remember that website address. When the time came, bookmarks are a great way to save and organize specific website so you can revisit them again and again.
Okay.
So this is the use of bookmark actually. So here I'm going to show you how to bookmark a particular website, how to manage, organize your bookmark folders, and how to import bookmarks from another browser. Okay, so basically, let's say yahoo.com. Or let's say New York Times. Let's say you are using this website frequently for learning news, etc. But in order not to revisit this website by typing keyword or writing this URL, what you do, you create bookmark of this particular website. So how to create a bookmark? There is a shortcut key. There are two ways to create a bookmark. Okay, I'll show you by pressing the shortcut key, Control plus D. If you press on Control, simultaneously press on D button, it will open up, ask you for name and also where you want to add this bookmark URL. See, usually I have this much of options.
So I can eat.
See, once again, Control plus D. What I do, I leave this as it is, the name of this website and the folder, bookmark folder. Then click on done. So bunch of options I have bookmarked, so many things. So what I do, I click here to check where is that website. Bookmark bar.
How to create a bookmark. How to create a bookmark.
Okay, let me change the folder here. Let's say imported. I have created one folder called imported and I'm bookmarking that this website into it. Just click on done. Here in imported, I click here and I can see this website in the last. See here. Whenever I open Google Chrome and I want to visit that website, what I do basically just click on imported folder, click on this file. So I don't need to write the URL again and again, or even I don't need to type this keyword on Google browser. So basically, this is the use of bookmark, creating bookmark. Got it, guys? Mr. Gary?
Yeah, the question, you said, hit the control but plus D.
Yeah, Control plus D to shortcut key for creating bookmark.
Okay.
So even you can manage bookmark. Whatever the bookmarks you have created, you can manage those bookmarks. So how to manage them? Go to Chrome on the top right corner of your Chrome. You can see three dots here. Click here, then click on bookmark. See, if you click on bookmark, you see an option called bookmark manager. Click here. From here, you can manage what are the bookmarks available on your browser. Manage in the sense, for example, let's say you are a frequent user of Google Chrome. You use e-commerce website, you use newspapers, magazines. So to categorize those things in a folder, you create these bookmarks. For example, you are frequently using a shopping website, e-commerce website. So you created e-commerce as a folder. You instead frequently use visited newspapers, online e-papers. You create a folder called e-papers or newspapers online. You are frequently using online videos, social media, websites. You created a folder called something, social media folder, YouTube folder, something like that. So to manage whatever the things you want to keep in the first view, in the actually basically this area is called bookmark bar. What is this area called? Bookmark bar. So I have so many things available. So whatever I need, I will manage which which folder, which bookmark to be in the first view of my bookmark bar. Like frequently I use YouTube, calendar, time zone, currency converter, etc. So these are the bookmarks I have managed to put in the first view of a bookmark itself. From here, see, you can manage to put like this. Like, see here, miscellaneous folder is here in at the last. You can move this miscellaneous folder by dragging like this, by holding the primary mouse key and move this here like this. You can also do this by visiting bookmark bar. Let's say I'm dragging this video to the very next to miscellaneous folder. See here, it happened here itself as well. Hello,
Yes, bro.
am I audible? I got disconnected just now.
We can hear you, brother.
Okay, so got it, everyone? How to create bookmark, how to manage bookmark.
Manage bookmark. Yes.
See, if I ask anything to you, please answer me whether you are understand or not. Okay. So moving forward, customizing Google Chrome. Let me show you. So basically, what is customizing? Another reason for Chrome's popularity is the customization it offers users. So in this area, I'm going to talk about many great features of Chrome that can be modified, including Chrome startup options and other web store option available in the Chrome browser. Okay, so choosing your startup option. Okay, let me share my screen. Mm, yeah, everyone is able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. To choose a home page at very startup on the very first view of your Chrome. So by default, Chrome will show the new tab, new page whenever you start the browser. Okay, I have just started the browser and it is showing me the new page. Okay, if you would like to see a specific website each time you open your browser, like a news site or weather forecast, you can set that site as your home page. So to do that, just click on Chrome menu here. Okay, then click on settings. What? Give me a second. Give me a second, guys. I'm looking out for that option. I'm not seeing here. Sorry. So it's available in the on startup option. So basically what you do, Hmm, why it is not showing? Yeah, here. Click on a specific page, add new page, then copy this particular website, whatever you want to see on your startup page, like Amazon, any website. Just for example, I'm showing this one, Times Magazine. Paste URL here, add here. Okay. Now add a new page. See here. Oh, what happened? Okay, let me close this one first. Let me close a new Chrome bar. See here, guys. The New York Times page has been added to the home screen. So whenever you open Chrome, every time you see that homepage of New York Times at the very first view, first appearance. Okay, so it will work same like bookmark. If you save on the home screen itself, you can directly open from here any website.
That's a shortcut.
Yeah, shortcut key. It's just like a shortcut key.
Is
Okay,
that
guys. So
okay?
this is it for the day. Inshallah, we'll join on Monday to learn more about like basic computer courses, email marketing, sorry, email management and Zoom management. Inshallah.
So,
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Alaikum, brother.